cables, there's a few different ways that you can do it. Actually, different ways that cables can work. Some of them pull to the right, these 4 separate ones, and then they can also pull to the left. So the difference of actually being able to do this is quite simple. All you have to do is you have to place the stitches in the back or in the front. But to be able to do that, we're going to go ahead and essentially what I'm going to do is I'm going to focus on these 1, 2, 3, 4 stitches. All the cabling is that you're going to knit stitches 3 and 4 before stitches 1 and 2. So I'm going to take my double pointed needle and I am going to slip the first 2 stitches of my cable and just place them on hold. So this is what you would call a 2-strand cable, and it's worked over 4 stitches. The cool part is that depending on how you place these stitches, because you're always going to do stitches 3 and 4 before 1 and 2, if I keep these in the front and knit stitches 3 and 4 off my right needle, my stitches will naturally pull to the left. If I put them in the back, which is what I'm hoping to do because I want to make sure that I'm keeping along with that, is I'm going to knit stitches 3 and 4 before these first 2. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and what it's going to do is it's going to pull these 2 stitches to the right. So knitting stitches 3 and 4, that back one is going to flop around on you, that's okay. So I've now knit those 2 stitches and then you can see that they're pulling to the right. I'm now going to knit the 2 stitches off of the needle, which gives us a right slanted needle, right slanted cable. Same time as last time, we're going to knit stitches 3 and 4 before 1 and 2. So I'm going to take again my double pointed needle and I am going to slip those stitches over, but because I want these stitches to then pull this way, I'm going to leave them in the front. I'm going to knit stitches 3 and 4 and then come back for 1 and 2. So knit stitch 3, knit stitch 4, and I now have these ones just chilling on this needle. So I'm going to knit off of those one more time, meaning that we now have a left leading cable.